What is up, guys? Y'all ready for some coding and programmatic SEO? All right. Hope you guys got your coffee and you guys ready to chat it up or what? Heck yeah. All right. So here's what I'm going to do this time. All right. I'm going to be able to make it where I can see the chat like a boss. All right. So as you guys pop in, I can see the chat. Okay. So don't be shy to chat it up. All right. And if you guys are watching the replay, do you know what programmatic SEO is? Let me know. We're going to dive in and we're going to do this thing. All right. So here we go. We are working on the programmatic SEO, this attorney search near me, a fresh start law, Las Vegas. This is not what we're working on, but we want essentially this page, it needs to be fully connected. Okay. So right now, I am saving. If I hit refresh and I go to profiles, you can see there's no cities, there's no state, the rating, and no category, and no business hours. So we kind of need to tell the AI to fix this. Okay, so here's what we got. We got our branding profile, and this is our branding, and it's not saving to the database. Okay, so what do we need to do? So basically we need to say the save to profile. Save to profile is not saving the city or the state, the city and the state, the city and states. It's also not saving the categories or the categories, and it's also not saving the phone or the phone. All right, the phone and or the website, for even that matter, or the website. Dude, it's not really saving freaking anything, or the website URL correctly. Is this saving it in the database at least? So if we go to our profiles, we can see we have all of our profiles and they all have like null in them. Like, bro, why? Like, what the heck, dog? All right, so name, phone number has null. Longitude, latitude has null. Like, what the heck, dog? I don't know how to copy that, but whatever. Is the business ID freaking null? Full text correctly. Longitude, latitude. How about the business ID? Man, that's correct. All right. Working hours is not types. I wonder if types is the category. Boom. Dude, like so much is not freaking coming back. All right, so let's just do this. It's not saving this. So this is all of the stuff. So it's full text, it's saving that. That's correct. Business ID and name, it's saving those, right? But it's not saving the phone number, longitude, latitude. It's saving that. Saving the ratings. It's not saving the website. It's saving that. Is it saving my place link? No. Types, working hours, it's not. City, it's not. Is claimed. I don't know if it's doing that. State, description, selected, created at, boom. All right. Can you please fix all the other parts of the data is working? Boom. Let's go, baby. All right. So we are here, and this, can you fix all the other data parts is working? We got branding. We need to say save profiles, and we need to say process Google Maps listings. All right. what else should it say? Sitemap categories, pretty much nothing else really. Let's check if this will fix. All right, so it's likely how it's being processed. Sure, all fields are being handled. And this is updating our process Google Maps, okay? So this says process, all right. Ensure all fields are properly formatted before sending. The main category includes all of this. Perfect. All right, cool. So let's see. Process, Google Maps, apply, accept, go here, process Google Maps, save, refresh. All right, so we're going to do this. We're going to go to here, all pages, 400, 500, and I'm going to delete all of these profiles. Okay, so if I refresh, I should have 0 profiles. Correct. Attorneys in Las Vegas. No results found. Let's try it again. Attorneys in Las Vegas. Search. All right. Now it pulls back all our attorneys. You can see we could select a couple, save selected, successfully saved. Let's see if it searches again. We have 2 profiles. It didn't save, but it has our reviews. It doesn't have our categories, but it has this. That loaded. All right. So we're doing good. All right. So let's see. Why isn't it loading the freaking database? Saving right. Let's see. This is a cPanel database. Does that matter? Like, yes, it's on cPanel. Here's how. Okay. Let's make sure they get properly connected. I am connected. Okay, so how are we gonna do this? Let's see. Prepare the data. Okay, so inside. Okay, so inside. Let's do this. Inside the save profiles. Can you make it so if the table isn't created in the database, it makes it on the first save, please? All right. Okay, let's see. Move the database creation. This says create tables. All right. Give me the full code for it, please. All right. Don't be shorthanding stuff, bro. All right, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to go into profiles. And dare I say, we are going to delete this profile database. Profiles drop. All right. I hope this is correct. If not, we have to do a lot of extra work. Okay. So this says we do this, apply, adds it, create tables if it doesn't exist. All right. Create this, save this. So I'm going to now hit refresh. And now I'm going to go to all profiles. Dang. We probably broke everything. Fetch data. Probably because the database connection doesn't exist now. So error fetching data. All right. Hopefully I didn't break everything. It's always fun to play with code like this. All right. This is real life coding, bros. Error fetching data. Bro, what could possibly be causing this? So if I refresh this, this will see that we don't have the table in here. Okay. All right. So we can see over here, it's going to be failing to do this. All right. What to do. So we kind of need to restart. So here's what I suggest. Okay, so I'm going to restart this save profiles. Okay, so I'm going to restart this. And this Google call, I'm also going to say, this is my process Google Maps. I'm going to restart this to back to here because it was working earlier. Okay, so now what we're going to do is I've already deleted my database table. I'm restarting with my save profiles. And let's see. So I am going to say restart with this. I'm going to shift everything and I'm going to delete. All right. So I'm going to go here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say branding.json. This is going to refresh and it's probably going to like not work. Right. So we don't have this now. So branding.json needs to fetch the process maps. So what we need to say is inside branding. Okay, so I'm going to say save profiles and process. All right, and then we're going to go into website scraper API into the dashboard. Maps, get this curl again. Okay. And we're going to say this is our sample response. Okay, so here we go. And we're going to come in here and we're going to say, I need you to very detailedly create me all right, is this the same job project? Heck yes, it is, Brandon. Sometimes update its security. Certain software require updates to run these scripts. That might be it, man. We're hopefully we'll get there with this. Thanks for hanging out with me while I build it. Let's make it where I can see this more. All right, so boom. All right, so it is the same project. We got this. So we're here. So here we are. Can you, I need you to very create me a save underscore profile, profiles. And then I also need my DB connection. Okay. So DB. All right. Profiles.php script, that will save all the data, properly, into my cPanel SQL database. Can you just make sure the script has the needed code to add the table to my database also inside the code. All right, and then here is a sample response. All right. So it has all my files. It's going to do this. We deleted hopefully the buggy script. And let's see. So I'll help you create a detailed save profile script. I'll handle database creation and data insertion. Here is the complete script. All All right, so it says content DB connection, create the profiles if it doesn't exist, which is what I needed to do. Does all of this stuff. Working hours is in a JSON, variables, website text, place ID, place this, created, engine. Hopefully this all works. All right, cool. Now it's success created, get post data, prepare the data insertion statements, begin the transaction, prepare the data for the insertion, commit the transaction, nailed it. All right, so hopefully this one thing works. All right, so let's see. We go in here into save profiles, edit, paste, save. All right, and now I'm going to hit refresh. If we go to all profiles, that flashed on there for a second, but it didn't work. So let's say fetch data. Error fetching data. So if I refresh this, did it make us our table? No. Brandon said nice, but it did not make us our table. All right. So, all right. So why? All right. So we go to inspect. We hit refresh. We hit refresh on this bad boy. If it loads, profile doesn't load. Can't update this. Get attorney stats. All of this. Okay. Get profile stats. It can't find my get profile stats. Get profile this, get profile stats. Edit. DB connection, city JSON, branding categories, profile count. Well, that's because there's no profiles. Okay. So what we need to do is create profiles, but it's not working on the first one. Okay, so can you make sure the branding.php calls this script also so it runs the script and makes the table, please? All right, cool. So, all right, branding.php. Let's go. And now it should just run it at the top, you know? Create table if it doesn't exist. Okay, so essentially the branding one is going to create it. I mean, whatever. Apply this. And then it says, however, the one important thing to note, you'll need to make sure the DB connection is included branding at the very top. Cool. Well, that kind of means like this doesn't need to be created. But let's just check. So now it creates the profiles. We go to branding.php, save, refresh, and I broke it. I broke everything. Let's see. Did it make our database? No. Let's see. Duplicates can sometimes cause a problem as well. Am I running a duplicate? Let's check. Brandon, you are legend. Let's see. Move file, image, add this function, table. Okay. So read the JSON, add this SQL table, process, get files. All right. So save. We're trying to require the database. I'm literally going to not dog. Roll back the branding. So how far? I mean, we could go back way far earlier today. I'm scared to see what this was. Let's see. Yeah, it's not even going to have that table yet. All right, so we are here, and let's just try to put this back here. Current unable to handle the request. What's happening? Are we handling it twice? Well, this is fun. So let's just say, bro, now I have a that. See what it says. Server side, check the file pass, DB connect, DB branding, branding.json, connect. This is really fun, man. I'm surprised how many freaking errors I'm having right now. This is crazy. But the show must go on. All right, let's try this. Save profiles. Let's just try requiring and removing the required from that. Is that going to do anything? No. Let's just try. This is process Google Maps. Let's close this one. Save profiles. I wonder if I just do this for now. Super fun watching. All right, bro. Thanks, man, because I get worried if anybody likes watching this stuff. All right, my whole freaking server died. All right, branding.json file. What could possibly be my issue? All right, we're back. What? How is things working? How is it working? I don't know. I don't know what happened. I don't know why it's working. Oh, that's even worse. Oh, gosh. It's like it works. Why? Why does it work? Dang it. Why did that just work? All right. Does this work? Does this work at all? All right. Does my save work yet? Error saving profiles. All right. At least we know where we're at. Oh, God. All right. So here's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking our branding. I think Brandon, you're right with that. Let's reverse engineer that. I think you were right. I think this duplicate was causing us problems. I don't even know what that means. But if it wasn't for you showing up, I'd be hurting right now, bro. So thank you. All right. So this creates a thing. All right. So we know this creates a thing. So if I refresh this, it made a thing. We have profiles. All right. So our profiles are created. Step 1 is done. All right. So, I didn't mean to do that. Command S. Close that because I didn't want that. All right. Xcode is weird. All right. So our save profile, it doesn't work. All right. So now we're going to need to redo this. Okay. So I'm going to say branding and process Google Maps. Can you make to save the profiles and write the save profile, save underscore profile dot PHP. Okay. So, and make it work, please. Make it work. Duh. Right. Like duh. Absolutely duh. Okay. Coffee time, baby. I'll help you create this. Here you go. Here it says prepare the statement. Do the thing. Make the thing. Do the thing. And we are ready to go. I really hope this works. This was working. It was working earlier. You see this? It was working, and now it's not working. You see what I mean? Like, we got to get this working again. Okay, so we're back. You can test it with the post request save profiles with a JSON body like this. That's cool. Rating, review count. But your script will work with the existing database table we created earlier, integrates the Google Map function, handles the fields. Does it handle the hours? Because working hours. All right. I hope it does. Save. All right. You think it's first time go? Anybody? Any betting? Any bets? First time go, baby. Here we go. We refreshed. We have 0 profiles as of right this very second. We go to Google Maps. We fetch the data. Drum roll, please. All right. We fetched the data. We click the button. We hit save. Successfully saved. We click profiles. Boom! Saved a profile, and it doesn't have it saved correctly. You piece of. Why? Does this button work? The button works. The button works. I mean, we're not very much further than we got earlier, bro. So what possibly could be the problem now, Brandon? Brandon, we need your brains, bro. Like, so close. It's so close. Yet so far away. All right, inspect. Okay, I don't need to inspect this. I need to go in here. The profile is created. It hit the database. It's showing null. Yet, it should not be showing null. So, what about this? Okay, what about this return JSON is different from what you are saving? Like, for real, homie. The fuck you doing? Damn, holy shit, I'm trying to get my stuff done. I see the issue. All right, let's modify the proper code. All right, like, was that so hard? Jesus. We got parse city from full state address. Like, you don't really need to do this. Like, it returns the state. Oh, no, it doesn't. Wait, does it? Do I return the city and state? I return the city. Okay, but let's see. Do like, what's up with my state? Like, where do I have my state? Do I have my state up in this thing? State. No. City. It has city NV, Las Vegas. Let's see. Well, it has a website, but it has Nevada. Okay, that's not helpful. All right. It doesn't have in my data. It doesn't have freaking the state, time zone, place, full address. Las Vegas, Nevada. It has the abbreviated state and the zip. Okay. Okay. So we go back into cursor. It's going to say, do this, state, do all of that, apply to the save profile. I really hope you work this time. All right. So we go back into here, save profile, bam, refresh this thing. It's not going to be done yet. Now we fetch. Okay. We see this is checked. We add a new one. We hit save. Successfully saved. It freaking did something. It's slightly better. Dude, Why is this so difficult? Okay. Let's see. How about you give me some debug issues? Okay, bro. It still is not saving right. And I'm actually tired of telling you, to tell you the truth. Okay, it's like telling you, like, can you like spit out how you spit out the return JSON in the console, and then when you save it, you need to like also spit that data out over there. So I can figure out what's happening, homie. All right. And add the branding.json. All right, we got this. I always ask that question. Let's go, Brandon. I'm glad we are a great man think alike. All right, here we go. We are going to see what is happening. I feel ya. I feel ya. Let's add some debugging login to see exactly what's happening with the data flow. That's what I'm talking about. We're learning how to use error logs. Oh, wait, hold on. Cancel. Reapply. Let's see. Reapply. Let's see. Oh, wait, it's still doing it. It's still working. Sorry. I'm a little ahead of myself. Let's do this. Reapply. All right, there we go. Here we go. Done. Here we go. Look, it's like fixing it. It's like, my bad. All right, so like this, we go here. Wait, what file did you just spit this out? Save profiles. All right. Save profiles. Here we go. This. Anywhere else? Any other code? This version will put raw data, decode the JSON, each original profile, each map profile. You can see these logs at this error log using at this. This should be exactly what you're doing. Okay, cool. Thanks. So let's refresh this. Reload. Today says access. I have a little error log here. I'm going to delete the error log, confirm, and I am actually going to hit save, refresh this, Google Maps, fetch data, and we're going to figure out why this doesn't work. Save selected. Bam. All profiles. It saved the city, it saved the state. City, it's not, dude. Inspect, console. How about error log? Reload. Error log is right here. Is this a different one? That's the 18th. All right, that's today. Edit. We're going in here. Boom. Parse data. Raw input. This. Original profile. All right, what? Raw input. It must not be like, I don't think it's getting the data. I think what's happening is we got to go back one step. Process Google Maps. Is it this one? Is this returning us our thing? This says business ID from business profiles. Does all this. Business headers, attorney input, correct. Profile definer. I'm not seeing it. what could possibly be happening? Update selection. View. I wonder what. This is the strangest thing I have ever encountered. It's parsing, it's getting the review count, it's getting the full address, it's getting the array. Mapped profile, working price level, mapped profile, original profile. All right, something's happening where it's not getting all of the data. Okay, something is happening, and I am not getting all the data from the API call. All right, and then we're going to give them this error log, and here we go. Save profile SQL query. This map profile, original profile, decoded input, raw input. All right. Cursor. All right. Save profile and process maps. Branding. Bam. Let's try it again. We will win, baby. This file needs a properly formatted data was sending. Here's the fix. You think it was this? Hopefully, baby. Hopefully. All right. Clean up the phone number, process Google Maps. All right. Apply. Did it not even do anything? This sucks. It's like the exact same thing. All right. Let's see. Bro, I'm still, there's no freaking update. You didn't even update anything. Like, what the heck? All right. What up, Todd? Process Google Maps. All right, so here's what we're going to do. We are going to restart the process Google Maps. All right, so the process Google Maps is going to call this. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to copy this entire curl command. And we are going to say this. Okay, I need you to call this API. And okay, I need you to call this API. This API. Okay, so, and then it needs to be able to also save the data to the database. All right. Boom, paste in my API. Add this, add this. Okay, so now we go down here. If you need to update any code, please do. Submit. All right, Brandon said, the more detailed the data, something unique actually keeps it from breaking. This stuff is actually something you need a team of managers to keep it from breaking hourly. I feel you, bro. All right, so let's help create the post, which will handle existing code. Nice. It's just going to pass this implementation. Sweet. All right. It's going to call this, it's going to fetch the data, it's going to do that, process Google Maps. Now we hit up here. We go to error log is there, process Google Maps, edit, control delete, control save, baby. Refresh. Profiles are here. We have those. Select all, delete selected. Our delete selected works. It just doesn't update the profile page right away. We have our fetch. Our fetch works. So our freaking database connection works again. Nice. Now if we hit select, we can hit save selected, saved profile. Added this, added the state. That's not the correct state. That's this. Click on this. It goes here. Does it visit the website? Nope. Dude. I don't know if we're getting closer. I mean, the city got kind of added there. What about your cache? Maybe clear it and it will run. That might work. I mean, I don't even know where my cache is. All right, so let's see. So what's happening, man? It's not saving the longitude and latitude. Okay, so let's work through this. It just pulled here. So it came in here, it returned the call, it executes the call, decodes the API response, which checks the business ID already exists in the database. Prepares the response, total response, existing status, and then the data. All right, so now we have the data. Okay, and then it sends the data over to the saved profile, okay? So it's going to send this information to here. If it sends the information here, this must be where the issue is happening. So let's check. So the save profile, the save profile seems to not be working still. Some of the data has commas, maybe commas in it, and arrays in the data. Let me just show this one it too. Like, come on, man. Copy. Let's see. You can see a full. All right, so this isn't going to return. Like, I almost need two, right? So let's just say limit two, and let's do attorney search Las Vegas. Let's do this. Response, website, full address, business ID. All right, so like I'm just going to copy this whole freaking thing, and I'm going to come into cursor, and I'm going to see. You can see the return data looks like this, and it all really needs to be mapped 100%. Please. 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 All right. All right. Oh my God. All right. We got this. I will help you upload the files properly. Hand in check. Here's your unimproved version. Create a debug log function. Input the raw input. Debug the input. Import the input statement. Input the values. On duplicate key update. Like, what if I did this? What if I hit cancel generation, and instead of even the save profiles, okay, so bam, I'm going to delete this save profile, and we're just going to like double check what Brandon says and make sure that this little save profile thing doesn't work. All right. Because if we have, if it goes through here and it doesn't save and like the save's broken, then we at least know that there's no cache. All right. So error saving the profiles. So we got rid of the cache. So there's no like, right now the save is broken. Okay. So there's no save working. Does delete work? Yes. Okay. So we're here. Now we want, I'll help you update this. So now what we want is, we had this, and I am just going to hit enter. All right. I'll help you create a save thing. That includes the arrays and JSON data. Please do. Please freaking work. Get post data. All right. Sorry, I'm in my car, so it lags a bit. Brandon, you are awesome, man. Thank you for showing up. Like, all right. So it's still sticking out some of this stuff. Commit to transaction. It's still spitting out this. Properly handles, used encoding JSON, transaction, something do this. Handles array, does that. Assumes your database texture structure matches and showed in branding file. All JSON fields. Oh my God. What if the branding file is jacking it up? Dude, let me check this. Because that would be crazy if the branding file is the one jacking it up. You know what I mean? Like, oh, don't want to update that one. Save profiles, paste. Now we go here. Essentially, if we hit save selected, it should just save without us having to update. It updated this. We have this. Still not doing it. So I'm guessing it's the branding page. You think it's the freaking branding.json? Like, really? All right. Let's try this. So what if it's the branding.json that's jacking it up? Why would it jack it up? Why would the branding.json jack it up? Probably because we have this freaking SQL table that probably isn't the correct SQL table. Maybe. So let's do copy. Those JSON pages are always doing shit. You're absolutely right. All right. So I'm going to assume our branding.json file is jacking it up. Okay. So can we assume the branding.php file is breaking this and make the table, because the data is returning, but this is not saving right on my cPanel server. Like, I'm not joking. I have never had this much issues coding. Usually this stuff's pretty legit, man. Yes, let's create a separate SQL file to properly create this. Drop table if table exists. Do it like this. Like, places ID is anything different. Photos JSON, index JSON, business rating. Let's create a PHP to SQL this SQL. How about let's not and say we did. Can we just add it to the branding? I wonder if branding.php please. Like, update that thing. Like, yes, I'll modify the table creation. All right, so I'm just going to delete This should break my whole software again. Okay. So, but this is part of us learning. So we should go into profiles. I should hit drop and I should hit OK. Okay. You are working on a pretty insane project. So this much requires insane. Yeah, it does. I hope it doesn't one day though. All right. So branding here. Drop table if it exists. If not, create it. Okay. So is that going to do that every time? Like, really? I do not want that to happen. Drop table if exists profile. Do not do that all the time. What? What the freak? How do I take that away? I'm just guessing this goes to that. That just needs to go away. There you go. I really hope. All right, because that would like drop my thing every time, right? So now we're in branding.json. Here, update this again. Please work. All profiles, we have 0. Google Maps, fetch data. Select, save, profiles, reviews, categories. Ain't nothing freaking working. What to do. All right. What are your right permissions? I mean, the thing is, it worked before. So, like, okay. How should I do this? Let's see. Can you just, let's see. Do I have anything in the error log? Like, let's refresh. We have our error log here. I'm going to hit delete and I'm going to delete this and I'm going to refresh this error log and fetch the data. Save selected, save profiles, all profiles. Let's go this. Let's select all, save selected, 19 selected. Well, what? 19 selected, bro. Maybe because I'm only doing a call. Okay, so it's saving, dude. What if it's the branding? What if it's like how the branding file is sending it? Like, save profile. How can we test what is causing this to break? You know what? I know how we could do it. Because here's what we could do is right now we don't actually have like be able to add, right? Like there's no little like add listing button. So what if we say this? So what if we actually go into here, because we're going to need to be able to do this. Can you make it so I can have a button that says add new profile? Okay. And then I'm going to say, and it opens a pop-up with all the needed details. Okay, details to add, please. Okay, because I'm going to need this. All right. All right. So now we have save and we have save profiles. And now we have that. So sometimes the way around is doing something completely different. That's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to do something completely different right now. Like, I need some wins, man. This is ridiculous. All right. Is it maybe how it's saving, like the save thing? Like, I feel like how it's saving or something, like the save selected profiles. Save profile, it calls the saving profiles at, like what the heck is happening? I think it's like this value. I don't know what's happening, man. Like I said, I need some other wins though. Like add new profile at the top of all profile, module, form, does this, includes all of this information, website rating, categories, when's a form submitted, collects all the data form. So it does all this, address, categories, and hours, please. And hours, please. Okay. Dude, like freaking everything, bro. Like business module form, like update the module form. Okay. Like bussin'. All right. So now we have all the days, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday with the days of the week. Save profile, do all of that, check boxes, get all the hours, function, get business hours, save profile included, convert form into data. Nice. All right, up to say section, update this, added the forms, the hours will be stored like this. When a day is disabled, the hour will be stored like that. Okay. All right, cool. So add hours, please. Update the form module. Okay, so let's go up here and let's click on this one, branding.json, accept. Then we want to add the new part. Boom, added this, accept. Cool. All this. Boom. All right. File manager. This is our branding.php. Edit this, save, refresh. Profiles, add new profile. All right. I'm going to start by deleting all. Deleting all profile, delete. Add new profile. Business ID 5. All right. Name Jeff. Phone number, website, my AI team, review count 5, review rating 5 out of 5, homie. Address. Oops. Don't look at that. Address 1, 2, 3. Let's do 8,000 West Ladura Avenue. All right. I'm open all of these days. Check out my hours, dude. This is dope. All right. I'm up open at 4 a.m. Save profile. Did it work? Nope. Inspect. Something's not happening. City, state. What? City, state? Invalid form is not focusable. What the heck does that mean? Okay. Boom. I got this error. Boom. Wait, that's not true. That's not an error. Hold on. Cancel. Boom. I got this error. All right. Let's try it again. All right, error occurred because the fourth mark is required, but you don't have proper styling thing. Let's fix the form thing. Let's do that. All right. Nailed it. Let's check it out. Okay. All right. Dude, I hope that we're not getting too far into this code where it just bugging out. So let's go to branding. All right. Refresh. Profiles, add new profile. 5. Jeff. Let's do 8,000. All right. Category, let's just say law. All right. And adjust my schedule. Nice. Website, myaiteam.com. Review rating 5. 96 people said I'm awesome. Save profile. Did it work? Dog, why isn't anything working? All right. Well, like why? Like why isn't it just like nothing's even saving? Like if I just click it, it's not even working. All right. Let's see. What would I do now? Add new profile. Is it not? Do I not even have it in my database? I do have a profile, but I don't have anything in here. Okay, so maybe split it into smaller batches. Yeah, I'm thinking about that or a nap. I don't know what I'm going to do. I don't want to give up. Like, I feel like I'm so freaking close. Like, things working. We're getting the data. We need to have, when it calls our process Google Maps edit, we need it to limit. This needs to be 500. Let's try that again. Come back here, scrape Google Maps, and it's going to return all the results. All right, we have all the results. So it's returning the ratings. It's returning the reviews. All right. I don't see what's wrong. Oh, God. Do I have anything to help me with this? Let's see. This part is correct. So up to now, we are good to go. This says status new. If we click this and save, it saves the status. It adds this, but it's not saving the state or the categories. Okay. It's also not loading these pages, probably because something is off with this. All right. So this one worked earlier, which doesn't work now, which is always exciting. Let's see. Does my whole site work? Yeah. I mean, at least the whole site works. Can we look at stats or something to at least get me excited or something to motivate me? Okay, look, our stats are going up today. All right, performance. Let's see what we are at today. Today in our stats so far, we are at 3 clicks. Yay. All right. Pages, attorney search near me, Marathon, Florida, and somewhere in Kansas. Nice. Cool. Pages, are we making any more pages? No, we're not making any more update ranks yet. So how about this site? 32 clicks today, baby. How about yesterday? Nice. All right. This has been a lot of work. I don't know why it's not fully working. It was doing so well earlier. It was all done. It worked 100%. I have an idea. Maybe it's how the branding is saving it. So it seems something is not saving the data correct. However, the profile page, like if I go into my profile page, so get profiles, let's see, surely it was called profile, so edit, and let's add this and call it profile.php. Move it down here. Yes. Replace profile is here. Coding is here. All right. So I want to say my profile page, profile, and the save profiles. Okay. Something is not saving the data correct. However, the profiles, profile.php did display it all correctly when it did work. So can you look at that and see why, and then update the other two scripts, please? All right, so now we have branding and save profiles. Whew, this is cray. First, let's update the profile saving logic. All right. Normalize the working hours. Hopefully it does it. All right. I noticed a few potential issues. Data like this. Let's update the save profile script. Then let's update the display logic in the profile. Okay, I'm kind of nervous to update to that because the display logic actually worked. All right, so we go here to save profiles, edit, update, paste. Go here, update the display logic in the profile, properly numeric, do it all. All right. Will it work? Fetch. Profiles there. Fetching data. Last shot, baby. City, state, reviews, categories are added. Page isn't working. I don't know why the page isn't working. Server responded with the status of 505. City got it. State getting closer. Ratings and reviews, and then almost added the categories. Dude, we are so close. Do any of these pages work? They don't. What if, okay, what is getting saved to our database? Profiles, business ID got saved. Phone number did not get saved. Longitude, latitude did not get saved. All right, so, bro, that's a long thing, so that's not what I want to do, unless I could just show a certain amount of records. I feel like we're getting closer. All right, so we go here. Number of rows, let's just do 25. All right, so copy this. Here, we are getting so close. Can you all right, we're getting so close. Can you see how the database is made and map it? All right, please. Boom. All right, I don't know if that's gonna freaking work. This is crazy. And I'm getting sleepy. So database record. I know we have several issue database saved issue to handle all the forms. Please work, bro. So I mean, I like that we got the city. I like that we have this. Is it saving the website possibly? Like something must be breaking it. Nope. Okay. We are getting so close. I feel it. Refresh profiles. Results per page. 500. Select all. Delete. Google Maps. Fetch. All right. Select. Save. State. City categories. All right. All right. We are getting close. We got just the city. Okay, what if we just like said, "What up, man? How you doing?" Shuvam, my man. All right, so I'm gonna say the zip is being saved and not the state. Please fix. All right. Please fix. All right. So let's just do one thing at a time. Zip. Extraction. Is it saving the full address? Yes. Okay. Apply. Oh, that's save profiles. Okay. Save profiles. Click there, save. Now we test. Now we select. Now we delete. Refresh. No profiles. Fetch data. All right. Select, save profile. Now we got city, we got state. Let's try it all again. Please make a video on how to find clients for SEO. Word. I could do that. Sure. I would just call all these guys. Save. We saved all the cities. We can't see if it goes over, but let's see. Yep, that worked. All right. Cool, that worked. Now we need to do the next part. Now we need to make it save the website. Okay. So where is the website scraper API? Okay. Copy. I'm going to say, okay, copy status. Oh, wait, let's just do this one. To attorney. And that's a great question. How do you get clients for SEO? Man, I'm just trying to get paid from. I'll show you how to get clients soon, though. All right, so let's see. What do we want to do with this? We want to say it's also not saving the website. Please fix. Boom. All right, let's just try one thing at a time. Let's just try to get it to save the next thing. You know what I mean? So next, it's going to update to save the website. I don't know why I keep clicking that. Terminate. Close that. Quit. I could come back to a terminal. All right. I see the issue is present in thing, but not the thing. Response. Say profile. All right. Let's try this. Add proper website sanitation. Hopefully this works. Save profiles. Dog. This is redonkulous. 500. Select all. Delete. Why does it keep doing that? Profiles. Select all. I don't have any selected. Okay. Fetch. And now we select, we save, we view. Does it have the website? We check the database. It doesn't have the website and it doesn't have the freaking data. Dude, you a bit. Do. Okay. What could cause it not to save all my data? Like, really? It could be 7 reasons not been saved. Comprehensive debugging to identify the exact issue. Get and post data in a log, please. Let's just try this. If I refresh this, we have an error log. If I view the error log now, we just see it's parsing all these cities. That's perfectly fine. All right, that's because I have Google Maps scraping my site. So let's delete this. Delete the error log. Okay. Next, we will reload. Our error log should come back because we are, like I said, scraping the sites. And save profiles should be here. Bam. All right. Is that all I did? Debugging issue, SQL statement. Do this. Success. Debug log.txt. All right. Debug log.txt. Save. Google Maps. Save. Error saving profiles. Well, what is the error? Refresh, debug, text log view. It's going to say this. Raw input received. Profiles, decoded input, array input. So what is it receiving this raw input from, dog? Raw input received. So the saving profiles must be saving something. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. I hope I could figure this out in the next couple days, couple hours, because I just want this to work. Can we export CSV? Does the export to CSV button work? Okay. So what can be our solution? I think a smoke break could be a solution. That should be a solution. I think that's going to be our solution. We shall come back and figure this out. So I'm just going to take a little break. We will be back though. I love you guys.